Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. Odin. Today we are making spaghetti jollof. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. For ingredients, we'll be needing our spaghetti, blended spice, spring onion, chopped pepper, onion, shredded onion, carrots, beef, curry powder, salt to taste, boiled eggs, and our pasta sauce. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for spaghetti jollof. Go ahead and add some salt and oil. And guys, still going to cook it with your sauce, guys. So I am partially cooking my spaghetti. My spaghetti says 10 minutes, so I'm cooking this 5 minutes. Go ahead and add oil to the pan. Now add in my blended spice. Guys, continuously you stir your spaghetti, because if you don't stir it whilst you are cooking it whole like this, I didn't want to break them into pieces. I just want to cook it like this. You have to stir it continuously, otherwise it's going to stick together. I'll go in with my curry powder for more flavor. Spaghetti has partially cooked. I'll go ahead and put on the fire, and then we'll go and strain it. It's always important to put cold water on the spaghetti, because when you do that, they stop the cooking. Otherwise, they will still cooking because the water on it is still hot. So like this is the best. Then you stop the cooking time. I'll go in with the pepper. So, guys, it's doing really perfect. I'll go ahead and add the carrots. Let's go in with our tomato sauce. Our sauce is doing perfect, guys. I'll go ahead and add my beef. I'll add in the beef. And I'll go in with some water. Stir it together and then cover it on a medium heat and allow the beef and the sauce to communicate together. We want all the flavors in here, guys. We'll go ahead and cover it up, and then on a medium heat allow our sauce to cook. Our sauce is doing perfect. I'll go in with my shredded onion. Guys, our jollof sauce is given. I'll taste for salt, and then now we can season our sauce. Salt is always to your taste. I'll go ahead and stir it, and then go in with my spaghetti, guys. Guys, you can see that our spaghetti jollof is given. It's doing really perfect, guys. And now I will add in some boiling water, just a little boiling water from the kettle. It's perfect. And then some pepper for more flavor. And allow it to cook just 2 minutes, and then you will go ahead and serve. Look at this. It's given. It's really given. It looks so good. It's a must to try. Ahead and sprinkle it with some green onions, guys, for garnish and more taste. Now you can see our spaghetti is ready. It's really ready. Our authentic, delicious spaghetti jollof is ready, guys. We are going to dig in and serve. Look at this deliciousness. It looks so good, delicious and healthy. And guys, you can give this, you can even serve this on a party. And this is kids' favorite. Trust me. So it's a must for you to try for your family. Thank you so much, guys. Coming with me to make this delicious, yummilicious spaghetti jollof. But if you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss kiss. Mwah.